Guys, this is Eddie from Harlembling. I'm dropping a YouTube exclusive. This is only for you guys, my loyal subscribers. Once they sell out, I'm going to take down this YouTube video. We just dropped 5mm Moissanite tennis chains in solid 10 karat gold. They're 5mm stones, meaning each stone is half a carat of VVS Moissanite. This is solid 10 karat gold. They're very heavy links. You can see the stamp, but you can take my word for it. I didn't do professional pictures, but I'm putting the link to get them down below. Coupon codes do not apply, but the price is crazy. I'm doing this just for you guys watching these videos. I only made about 20 of them. Look at this shine. Look at this. This is a 22-inch around my neck. Look at the quality of these stones. They dance through the camera. Guys, the price right now, they're cheaper than the 3mm 10 karat. I'm literally doing this for $20, $50 profit margin just to get my 10 karat products out there on the market. 18-inch is 26 grams, 44 carats of moissanites. 22-inch is 30 grams. 54 carats of moissanite. The long one, I got one 28-inch or two 28 inches in stock. That's it. They're 39 grams, so it's way over an ounce of 10 karat gold. 68.5 carats. If you buy one of these in natural diamonds, this would be $30,000, $40,000. And it's not going to shine probably as hard. Look at the quality of these stones. Again, link is down in the description. Once they sell out, I'm going to delete this video because at this price, I'm not making money. I'm just doing this as a marketing technique. They start at $2,000. Again, coupon codes cannot be applied.